So, hey guys, thank you so much for tuning in to Simply Steph. That's me. If you are new here, allow me to say welcome, welcome. And if you are returning, welcome back, guys. So as you can see by the thumbnail, I want to blame Eternally Grateful C's. If you don't know her, I will link her channel down below. She does all like Dollar Tree hauls and everything. And you know, I shop at the Dollar Tree all the time. I usually run in and I run out. But as of late, like I want to say 3 weeks ago, I started going in and not coming right back out. So if you want to see everything that I have accumulated, I think over 3 trips, then please keep on watching. Hey guys, please remember to subscribe if you have not, rate the video thumbs up, and turn on your bell so you're notified each and every time I upload. Thanks. Okay guys, yes, so like I said in the intro, over 3 shopping trips, and I want to say like 2 weeks, because I haven't been there in about a week or so. Now I did do a small video with like 1 bag of stuff, but that was one of the videos that was being held hostage in my app, which by the way, thank you Lord, I have back. So I have the app back. Now the videos, I already re-recorded them and you've already seen them, except for one. And I can't put that up because, well I guess I could, but it's actually a full face of makeup using the stuff that I got at the Dollar Tree. But first, before I get into all this, please allow me to, again, introduce myself. My name is Stephanie, I'm the host. And all that means, guys, is when we go over stuff like this, or unboxings, try-ons, new releases, reviews, tutorials, that kind of thing, it's me that you'll be dealing with. This is a beauty channel. We do all things beauty. You know, I touch on just about everything that has to do with beauty. For the mind, the body, and the soul. And you know, I say that because, you know, if I can make you laugh, if I can make you smile, if I can make you forget about the world for 15-20 minutes, then that's great. That's what I'm here for. All the while, you know, learning about makeup with me, because I don't have all the answers. You know, I just say come on this journey with me. Please remember to rate the video thumbs up. It really does help me out. What else? Oh, shade your bell in because that alerts you every time I upload, and you want to know when I upload because I do a lot of hidden giveaways, and I also announce the winner to every giveaway that I do through a video. So you really want to be aware of when my videos go up. Now, people have been telling me they sometimes don't get the notifications, but we have a pretty good notification squad going on here, which I'm very, very proud of. To all you guys out there that are doing that, I absolutely... I thought at first I was doing something wrong. I'm like, what is a notification squad? Like, literally somebody had to tell me, guys. Really? Anyway, all right, let's get into this. So, there's no rhyme, no reason. We're just going to start. There's a lot of stuff that I actually put away, you know? But, all right, so for instance, this. Now... I got this. It's just a little bowl. It comes with a lid. And it's because when hubby makes rice and beans, like, you know, scooping out of the pot, I mean, it works, but better if I can just serve it in this, and then the leftovers, they're ready to go. I just stick them in the fridge. Oh, and if you hear any digging or moving around, that's Carly, because I have so many boxes around me yet again, guys. Oh my gosh. Now, the next thing is, listen, I do like little crafty things, you know. I do my own acrylic like makeup organizers. I make my own, so you always have to have some of this around for sure. This is this is equivalent. This is the Dollar Tree version of E6000, I think it's called. Walmart sells it, so you know, and it works. So that's why I get it at the Dollar Tree. All right, can never have enough of that. Now, I did get a mask. Right now, this was. I looked at this, and like they do have tons of masks, guys, but I mostly look for like name brands, and a couple of them other ones that I saw, I did not know like the names. I never recognized them. But the Garnier, I always like, this is what I use on my hair, and I have tried these masks before. I actually have 2 over there that they sent me for free, but this looks like it would be really good because you actually mix the stuff together yourself. So that's pretty cool, and it's the Mix It Vitamin C Fresh Mix Sheet Mask. Boy, that's a tongue twister. So there you go. So I thought that would be cool. I see them in Walmart. So the thing I went in here, okay, this particular shopping trip, the thing I went in for was this right here. And it was thank you cards, because for all my giveaways and, you know, when I do my swaps and stuff, I like to always send a card with it. So I needed cards. I was out. So there's that. Let's see. We do have the infamous switches. I always have these on hand, and I like to stick them in the giveaways because if you have eyeshadows and brushes, you have to have a color switch, right? So I finally found one. Darn it. Now this is from different Dollar Trees because, guys, where I live in my county, there are so many Dollar Trees. So depends on where I'm at. If I see a Dollar Tree and I remember, I'll pull in and just go in. I think there's like 6 or 7 of them around me, like, no joke, guys. But I could never find these, and I finally found them. I was like, I need to get more. This was the last one. I looked everywhere. I saw this one. I was like, okay, cool. So I'm going to cherish this as the only one, unless I can find another one. But, you know, it's been hard. Slim pickings at my Dollar Tree. So there you go. I'm very happy for that. We do have, and oh my gosh, do I ever need this, because I've been zhuzhing, it's what I call when you squeeze your lashes with your real lashes with my fingernails, and I've been pinching my eyelids, and then my eyes water, and the look is blown to heck. So I needed to get one of these. So, because it just makes it that much easier to just go ahead and, like, you know, pinch them together and you're done. 1, 2, 3, or even 2 times. One here, and you're good. So there you have that. That was a necessity. And then this, okay, Eternally Grateful Seas. I believe her name's Chrissy. Now, I could be wrong. I really could. I've chatted with her, oh my gosh, on Instagram. But I blame her. This is her. Because when I saw this, I was like, oh my God, I so need this. Okay, let me just tell you really quickly. When hubby and I have gone through so many chargers, because when you plug in your charger in your phone, you know, I walk around with it. Why, you know, I'll lay down, watch my videos on whatever phone I happen to be. And when the plug is in, sometimes it'll turn a little bit. It'll go back and forth. Well, this stops that, because if it does it too much, it'll like, we have phones that we have to wrap the cord around in order for it to charge. This is going to save that. And I'm so happy, because I searched high and low. And again, I found it at the last one I looked for. So this stuff is like kind of mixed up. So I found that one thing at the first place I went to. I found this one at a different one. So yeah, there's a whole bunch of Dollar Trees in here. So this, what you do is you put it on your phone, and when you plug in your phone to charge, this keeps it from wiggling. Like, how ingenious is it? And for $1, oh yeah. Listen, I said to the guy, I found one, where are the rest? And he said, we don't have any more. He said, those things go so quick. And I'm like, well, yeah, like, they're so cool, and you need them. I told him, if they come in, please. I gave him my phone number. I told him to call me. So hopefully he will, because I'm going to grab as many as I can. So there's that. Very happy to get that. Very happy. It's the small things in life. Now, I did get this. This is from, I don't know, this is from Bolero. It's a paper facial mask. I really do like the paper masks. This was something different. This one says Titan. It's avocado and egg whites. Never heard of that before. I was very intrigued. So I grabbed one of these, just one, because, you know, I didn't know if I was going to like it or not. And then, of course, we have the good old-fashioned strengthening nail polish. The strengthening version, which I definitely need that. And yes, we're not going to talk about the nails. They need to be done. I'm so sorry. Okay. Definitely a necessity. Makeup brush cleaner. Now, yes, you can absolutely buy higher end brands, probably are better, but I do have a couple of brushes that are like not the greatest, and of course I'm going to test it on those first before I use it on my very expensive brushes, because it's the quick drying like spray. Shout out to Annette's Makeup Corner, because she always has this, and she says she uses it all the time, except not this brand, but you know, I'm sure she buys a very high-end brand. I'm trying to find the cap. Am I the only one, guys, I kid you not, that cannot keep caps on things? Wait, it gets worse. And okay, and there's another one over there. I literally, and I have no idea where those caps are. None whatsoever. Am I the only one that does that? I mean, seriously. I mean, there are some that well, here's a cap. I just don't know what it fits on. Oh, here. This one. I mean, I'm serious. I cannot keep a cap. Anyway, there's that. And this did come with a cap. I know it did. Of course, from the store to the bag to here, it's gone somewhere. And this is This is the LA Color Dramati Lash. I guess that's it. I think I got one of these to do a look with, but then I found the how do you say it? I don't know. Jen from Jen Reviews would know. Iona or Ioni. They have their own display, go figure, and I had already gotten this in the cart. I was like, you know what, I'll catch them on the rebound, because I was kind of in a rush that day, so I did grab these. I kind of went in for this and one other thing, and I grabbed this, okay, and that had to do with the makeup look, so, all right, so there's that. Now, hold please while I get the next bag. Okay, now, okay, real, true thing, 100% facts. Guys, I have so many different eyelash curlers, right? I've tried so many, and they either pinch my eyes, or I've literally had some of them. The Japanese one, which I thought was going to be really good, right? Because Japanese is a good brand, and it was literally cutting my eyelashes in half. And like, yes, I squeeze hard, but it shouldn't do that. Like, oh my God, I literally cut like 2 eyelashes, and I freaked out. So I threw that in the garbage. And then I tried, like, I had one from Purr that I got in a mystery bag. I got a couple of them, actually. So I kept one for myself as a backup. And it's so hard. It either pulling my lashes out, or it's just pinching my eyes. So the one that I use now, and I love, because it does none of that. It does curl my lashes. Granted, my lashes are very stubborn and takes a minute, but it actually works. It's this. From the Dollar Tree, I swear to you, I have one right here. I kid you not. They didn't have any pink ones. This is the only color they had. So this is from, it's the same exact one, guys. And this one works like wonders. So, yeah, this is a staple in my house. Now, I only got the one. I should have probably grabbed more, but they always have them. So I got that one so long ago, and I got it from the Dollar Tree. I think when I first started my channel or something, and I, you know, didn't have any money, not that I have any money now, but I was just like stocking up on things. Yeah, so here we have this is for the tub, and I do have another one. It's in the tub. I bought 2. This must have been like the 14th one, because again, I can't always find these, so when I grab them, I grab like major duplicates, because I mean, they're cool to be on the bath, because I don't like to put like the sticky ones on there. It makes marks on my tub, and then I freak out. Like, I can't handle that. No matter how much I scrub, it still leaves a mark, and bleh. So anyway, these come up and down really quick. The only problem with them is, because I clean with bleach, they kind of like turn yellow pretty fast. So that's why I buy a whole bunch of them, so that I can constantly change them brand new, and they will be this color. And they won't have like that nasty, like, yellow bleachy tint to it. Anybody ever know what I'm talking about? If you know what I'm talking about, comment down below, because so I don't feel crazy. Okay, so let me see this. Okay, there you go. And then this is the packing tape. Very important, okay, because you know me sending out prizes and all. And then what do we have? Oh, again, Eternally Grateful C's. I could not find these. The black ones that you see in my hair, I had one pack that I got oh so long ago. And they were so sturdy and so good. Guys, like, I cherish those things. And I think I have one left. And I'm talking a couple years now. Some of them, like the one I have now right here, this one, I don't know if you can see it. I think it's leopard skin, or it might be the black one. It's not like very good. It's very kind of flimsy. So this is what they look like when I remember that I bought them. Now I'm hoping that they're not the cheesy ones, because I won't know till I open them. I can't feel through the bag how they are. So, but there you have that. I'm praying and hoping. Let's say a prayer that these are the ones I want, that I have been looking for oh so long. Because I saw them on our channel. I was like, oh my gosh, I've been looking for this. I even commented. And then lo and behold, I ran into a Dollar Tree that I don't normally go into. I was out of my town. I think I was up by dropping a hubby off at work. Hour away, and yeah, I went in and there they were. So happy to see that. I'm hoping that they're the same ones. Okay, so yeah, I don't like putting anything on the stove. It makes me crazy. My stove, I can't. Yeah, I sit there with a sponge while I cook, like constantly wiping. So I figured, well, let me see if this works. And then I did have to open this because I needed a sponge to clean with. Okay, so this came in a 2-pack, all right. Okay, now, this is the last thing that I see. I'm sure there's more, guys. I'm sure. But I'm just saying, like, you know, I had to put it away or use it. Now, I had the whole set. I actually bought like the plate, the bowl, and then the cup. Now the cup broke long time ago, and I just never got around to getting one, and I'm like always in there, so I said, well, why not? I'm getting it, you know. Okay, plumping serum. This is a lipstick that is a plumper. Now, just let's say, whoa mama, okay? That's all I'm gonna say, and I'm gonna leave it at that. So there you have that. Now, I do believe that is all I have in front of me. I'm sure that's not all I bought, but I'm sure that's not all I bought. I think there's some other things that I got. I got a colander that I already used, but so yeah, that's everything. All right, guys, until I see you in the next one, please remember that if you are feeling out of sorts or something is bothering you, please talk to someone. Do not let it sit, because it could absolutely fester. Carly, stop. She scared me. I'm sorry. It could fester, and it could do more damage. You know, ultimately, it can wreak havoc on you, you know. And if you are asked to listen to someone, please do so. It can be the thing that they need, you know. Also, in this great big world, I say it all the time, guys. To my family out there, please stay safe. Until the next one, see ya. I always have to have my packing. Really? I missed the table? How did I do that? So this is the tag. Can I talk today?